How to fix Spotify notification bar. Today guys, I have this solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open settings of your phone. Then you will go directly to apps or application. Here you will find all the application that you have on your phone. So what you should do right now, just search for Spotify only. When you found it, just open it like this and go directly to storage option, and now go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on first stop and click OK. And now the last things is going to Play Store and update your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.